Good morning! Today I'm climbing Kawaradake. So we've got the family course or the rock course. The rock course is why I'm climbing here today. I heard it's pretty fun. So of course, let's go this way. Kawaradake has 3 peaks, 2 we can climb. And first, we're going to climb this one up here, Sanotake. Tell you what, that is an amazing view already. Kind of hard to see the trail, but I think we go up there. Whoa. So we go up here, not sure how. Oh man. That was awesome. I tell you what, this mountain rocks. Finally, some rope to help out. Thank you, rope. I'm guessing that's the top up there, so one last push. Wow. I guess this is the peak, but I don't know where the sign is, or if there is one. Let's have a look. Wow. What a great view. This place is amazing. But next, here, Ninotake. Hopefully it's a little easier. Ah, I found the peak. Yay. A quick spin around and off to the next one. This trail is a lot easier and really nice too. It looks so far away. time is it? It's 9:08. I think I can make it by 9:40. Let's try. Bloody rocks again. Made it! Ninotake! Unfortunately, that down there is Ichinotake. So I won't be going there today. It's a bit noisy. I don't know if you can hear that. But I'm gonna stop here, have a break, have something to eat. Wombat's Kitchen! Yay! Today we have mochi. Kinako. New Year's is over, so this mochi was 20 yen. Bargain! 20 yen. That looks terrible. Yeah, well that was okay. But it's time to start heading back because I'm gonna miss my train. Okay, we're going back via the family course, just because I don't want to scramble down those rocks. Back at the junction. Family course, thank you. And we're back at the trailhead. Thank you for joining me today. I totally missed my train, but that's alright, I'll get the next one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next hike.